Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. The base dimension is 110, 45 and 26, thickness is 8 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select here extrude, select the right plane, create one sketch, create one center line also, give the symmetric constraint, give the dimension 110, this is 45, give the horizontal constraint here, select line again, create sketch like this, give the symmetric constraint, this height is 26 mm, here 8 mm, that's it. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch, extrude up to 8 mm. Next, select the front plane, sketch, create one rectangle, give the dimensions 12 by 9, dimension from the base is 36, this is 12 mm, this is 9 mm, here to here 36 mm, and select this and this, select the points, horizontal constraint. Next, create sketch like this, give the dimensions, height is 24 mm, next there is a arc, select 3-point arc, give the dimension, arc dimension 36 mm, create line here, so finish sketch, extrude, select this first, here select symmetric, length is 32 mm, next select the sketch, extrude, select this one, select mid plane, thickness is 8 mm, okay. Next, select this surface, sketch, create sketch like this. Give the dimension here to here 9 mm. You can see 9 mm gap. So finish sketch. Friends, if you require drawing, you can take the screenshot with the HD print. Extrude, reverse the direction, thickness is 8 mm. Okay. Mirror this. Next, there is a 2 holes and fillet. Fillet dimension is R12. Select the edges. Next, select this surface, sketch. The whole dimension is 12 by 12, so that's what I am taking radius as a reference, that is R12. The whole diameter is 12 mm. Finish sketch. We can do these holes with the hole wizard method also. Select extrude cut. Here select through hole. Okay. Control 7 for ISO view. Assign the material. So you can assign material here as per your requirements. I will go with aluminium, the aluminium polished aluminum. Select edit appearances. So you can assign the color like this. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoy this lesson. And also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.